Good morning, everyone. I am Angie at Happy Acres Campground.
And I'm Kevin.
And we are your official Travels with Delaney correspondents for the Florida RV show. I just got checked in for the Florida RV Supershow. Super excited. Bam, I got my pass, got my parking badge. We're gonna go find this parking lot and get this party started. Guessing this is bringing back memories for Patrick and Patty. Cute little Lance camper.
Chance, grab your lance.
Who wants to see the inside of a Lance? I bet Patrick and Patty do.
Nice. It's a big area back here.
It is. I wonder, does that, yeah, that probably turns into the couch maybe, and maybe a bed too.
Converts, yeah.
Cute little kitchen. This must swivel out.
There's probably a latch.
Anyway, this swings out, so as you're sitting it there, you can watch.
This is really nice. This is big back here. You
Yeah.
can set up a coffee bar right here.
Yeah? What's we have here?
Big pantry
Look at
there.
that. Adjustable shelves. It's very deep. Oh, we have sideways drawers. That's fun.
Looks like it has a sound system. Look at the finish on these doors. You can just tell they're higher
It's
quality.
very nice.
Nice
Oh, it
big
has a shelf in
sunlight
it.
just up above too. Skylight. Looks like it opens
Oh,
up.
we have day and night. Nice. You have to point it up there.
We have day and we have night.
Shelves in all of them. Oh, look at that. It's a secret little microwave.
It is cool.
Very cool.
This is a good size. I don't feel like it's too big on
This
the
is
outside.
kinda neat. I like it better than some of the stuff I see. Nice.
I think just the touches, like the rounded corner, rounded wall here.
Good sized sink.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Not super tall in here, but what do we have here? What's this?
I would say for a 20-foot camper, this bathroom's gigantic.
Yeah, it's a good deal. Wow, look at these huge windows in here.
Look at the huge bedroom. Look at
Yeah.
this. Yeah, I think this is the difference. I wish
Here.
more people put queen beds in.
Look, you could have a dance party right there. That's how
If you could dance.
that's how big this bedroom is. Now, I think that these front windows are a little controversial. Some people love them, some people hate them, but it does look like it also has the day and night
I
shades.
imagine in the sun it'd be brutal.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Does that look the same over there, like the hanging? Yeah.
Yeah, wardrobe.
Oh, here we have a place for TV. All the hookups.
Kind of cool how it has all the power over here.
What do we have here? Yep, a couple USBs, no C's, plugs, and over there, what is that?
It looks like 12 volt
No, I mean the
Oh, yeah,
the
yeah.
power thing. What's that for?
USBs, yeah.
The Go Power.
Oh,
What is
this
that?
looks like that's a battery monitor.
Oh, I see. So in case you wake up worrying about your battery, you can see it.
I would wake up with it pulsating like that, but I'm sure it's on some kind of standby mode.
This one is pretty cool, so I like it. Hopefully this brings back some good memories for you.
When it goes into 1985, that's what the model they had right there.
Oh, is it?
It's look-
So we've been at the RV show now almost an hour probably. Our intention was to get some coffee first. We've got a video to post, but we've been distracted by some shiny objects, about 8 of them.
But now we get coffee.
Now we're getting coffee an hour later.
All right, thank you.
So we watched the Matt's RV review on this Coachman Euro Light, or Euro, I guess it's just a Euro, not light. So we have a 1976 GMC Eleganza. It's like, is that one of the first Class A motorhomes ever made? No, okay, I was wrong. Anyway, this reminds us really a lot.
Very reminiscent size-wise,
yes,
everything.
Even kind of the layout. So the bathroom's in a little different spot. It's a nice sized bathroom. This does have a dishwasher and has a king bed. One slide.
That's a queen, isn't it?
No, that's a king bed. That's the only slide right there. And when it's in, the bed folds up.
GMC Euro. This is the first one.
This is a Ford, isn't it?
Or Coachman Euro.
A Coachman, yeah.
Yeah, this is the early
It's a Ford chassis.
Ford chassis.
Yeah, pretty cool. Again, this is not something we're in the market for, but we saw Matt's video, so we wanted to check it out.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Something
it's nice.
different. It's like a big little Class A.
When does this open? You want to verse me in that?
Yeah.
I have to admit, we were called out a few times because we weren't Patrick and Patty. Some people were a little confused. So we had to explain that we were the official correspondents for Travels with Delaney, and then they were all good.
We bought the name and the rights.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, we bought the name and the rights. It's pretty
Look
nice.
at this Lazy Days display. That's kind of ridiculous.
Look at this. Look at this campground.
Yeah, but at least they don't have neon and things.
Right.
Sun outdoors. They're not messing around either. They built a whole building in here.
Yeah.
We got distracted by the Kuma products. It's a cool chair.
That is pretty
Sit in
cool.
it. Sit in it. Sit in it. We got distracted. We are on our way to find gas stop. That is super cool. Look at these.
But it folds up small like
I
the
know.
camp chair.
Oh, this is probably what it looks like when it's folded up.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at this. We even have some cooking demonstrations going on.
Here with Martin from Gas Stop. I know Patrick and Patty with Travels with Delaney have talked a lot about Gas Stop and they're big fans of it. I'd like to see a little demonstration of how it works, and Martin's the guy to show us.
Hi folks, I'm Martin. I'm from the Netherlands. I built Gas Stop. I'm one of the co-owners of the company, and what we actually do, we made a safety device for propane. And it's actually the only one on the American market that 100% shuts off if you have a major leak. That's what we make.
So even a pinhole, it'll recognize it.
Yeah, so we couldn't design a product that also shuts off in a minor leak, because otherwise you couldn't use gas anymore. So we came up with this pressure gauge so you could do a minor leak test as well.
Nice, very nice.
But this is exactly how the system is. You need to open the cylinder, and I'm going to actually show you what a major leak looks like. So I'm going to press this to make a sealed system. I'm going to open the cylinder, it's normal usage, and then I need to prime this gauge, and you see that there is pressure right here. And now I'm going to release my thumb to create a major leak. 3, 2, 1. And it's completely
Shut off.
100% shut off.
There you go.
Thank you, Martin.
Yeah,
I
thank you so
appreciate it.
much.
Thank you for your
Pleasure to
time,
meet you.
and Patrick, thank you for all your support.
that's fancy. It's my favorite color. Orange.
Those extreme outdoors are really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cute.
Ooh,
Look
look,
at
some
that.
more nostalgia. Got the Tab 400.
New Camp's got a nice setup here.
Yeah, they do. It's cute. Look at those ones inside. Are those new? Look how cute these are.
Yeah, the barefoot. I saw that. I watched some YouTube videos on those.
It's like vintage looking. Oh, it's got the baby moons.
How cute is that?
I love it. This probably would not work well with the dogs, but these are probably past this point in your life, but this is nice. Cubbies, little cubbies. Assume there's storage under the seats. Yeah, that's it.
I got all the tabs in here. It's a pretty cool display.
It is.
There's the New Camp truck campers over there.
Mm. If you guys haven't noticed already, the Florida RV Super Show this year was the year of the adventure van. Kevin and I decided that we think it's time for Patrick and Patty to get their own adventure van so we could go adventure vanning together. What do you think? Tucker! All right. Cheese. All right, we are wrapping up our time at the Florida RV Super Show. It's been an awesome couple of days. Thank you, Patrick and Patty, for letting us be your official correspondents for Travels with Delaney. Yeah, what do you think?
I thought it was amazing. I think it's way bigger than you can imagine. I think if you've never been here before, it's a great opportunity to look at about every possible design and model out there.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm pretty sure I read on their website that there was 600 plus.
More. There has to be
Oh
more.
my gosh, there's so many more than 600. That either I misread it or they were wrong, one or the other.
Not to
but-
mention all the vendors, seminars, groups.
Yes, yeah, it's a great time. Even if you're not in the market for a new RV, it's just a fun time because they have corn dogs and funnel cakes.
Yes, they do.
So just want to mention that.
You didn't have either.
I didn't, not yet.
Next time.
Next time. But yes, thank you again, Patrick and Patty, for letting us do this. Next year, all four of us are going to come. Anyway, I guess that's it. We're wrapping it up. Don't just camp.
Camp happy.
And we'll see you on down the road.
Bye.
Do you go for a ride? Want to go for a ride in the van? Okay, come on. Come on.